Welcome back, guys. I'm Gone in 60. Thanks for joining in. First order, I would like to show you the new t-shirt design, front and back. I'd like to thank Cooper, my buddy Cooper at Stay Phenomenal Designs. Check his Instagram out. It's all one word, Stay Phenomenal Designs. Thank Cooper for getting these t-shirts out to me. He's the only one who is making my t-shirts right now. I've dealt with him. Great guy, great company, and he's definitely growing. Second of all, today's just a smaller video, short video. I ordered the Steeda trunk pop kit, and it's for the Bullitt. And of course, there's two different kits. There's one with the heavier wing, like a performance package wing or the GT350 wing, something like that. And then there's the one with no wing, which what I got. It's no wing or the little thin blade wing. There's two different types, so make sure you order the correct one. It was a really neat kit. It's pretty new right now, but great kit. I love Steeda. I only put Steeda parts as far as suspension parts on my car, and definitely trust this company. This company's been around for a while. I am in no way endorsed or paid by this company, but I'm a huge Steeda fan. Anyway, I hope you liked the video, and we'll see you soon. I'm Gone in 60. Thanks for watching. Okay, so here are the part numbers. The Steeda trunk pop kit is on the right, and the Steeda clutch spring assist is on the left. Remember, for the trunk pop kit, there are two different part numbers on their website. One is for the either the small blade wing or no wing at all, and the other one is for more of a performance package type wing with it's going to be a heavier wing on the trunk, so it's going to be a heavier type shock also. Okay, so here's how the trunk release opens up before the Steeda trunk pop kit. So basically, I've already popped the top end of this off. Basically, you just stick a flathead into the clip and pull out this way, and it comes right out. Same thing on the bottom. I'm going to do that real quick. It should pop the same way. And there it is. And now the new Steeda strut should just pop right in. There it is. That side's installed that quick. Okay, so I'm quickly running out of daylight, so I'm going to show you real quick, just real time, how quick it is to take the factory shock off and install the new Steeda shock. The top is already off. Put it back on. There it is. Top's off. Now for the bottom piece. Blocking the light there. There it is. That top original shock is off. And now the new unit just snaps on in. There you go. Both sides are done. And here's after installing the trunk pop kit from Steeda. Pretty cool, huh? Thanks for watching. I'm Gone in 60. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. If you're new to the channel, we have some pretty good dyno videos and some install videos, so don't be afraid to binge watch. See you soon.